Hello, we're back with more of the What It Do. I'm here with Stefan Eucken from Skyray Technologies. They build all kind of broadcasting equipment to transmit news on the move, live and direct. Stefan's going to tell us more about the technology. How you doing, Stefan?
I'm fine. How are you today?
Good.
Thank you for giving me the chance to talk about our technology. Essentially, what we are bringing new to the table is a new level of automation so that it's possible for people who are normally not engaged with satellite communication to be able to operate a truck. So essentially, before it was required to send out 2 or 3 people with a truck, one person being responsible for the SATCOM portion of it. So what we are doing with our Skyray system is to put it to a level of automation so that a camera person can take the truck out, push a button, point the antenna, gets full broadband IP connectivity, can run IFB over it, can do editing in the truck over that system, and also provide booking to the truck from a database so that nobody in the truck essentially has to touch the equipment.
Wow, so it's basically user-friendly broadcast.
Absolutely.
Like you can be a one-man news team.
That's exactly right. And by providing IP to the truck, you know, the people can run everything over IP. So it's and then also what we are doing, like this is a big truck which is an overlay of conventional IP and DVB. We build IP-only systems where you put that little antenna to the right on an SUV and you run everything over IP. So you use your encoder and stream the video directly over IP.
And for our less educated consumers, IP stands for?
Internet Protocol.
Would it be possible for you to show us a little bit of this technology?
Inside the truck, sure, I can show you, yeah.
Let's go inside the truck, Stefan, and let's see what Skyray is all about.
Thank you. We put that little computer in the truck, and you see where it shows that stop button. When you power up the system, it comes up as a start button, and all the operator in the truck has to do to push that start button, that is initiating the auto pointing application to the satellite.
Right.
Once you are pointed, you have the 2 green lights up here which show you that you're connected to your station. So from that point on, you can run phones over the system or IFB, or the editor can pull content from the server in the station in the truck, edit it into the piece, and then transmit the piece out there again. And then what I was telling you in terms of doing the bookings here to the right, that is our booking system called Media Fleet Manager. And you see that in the truck you have the different feeds showing up in the playlist. So these are actually the feeds which were programmed for that individual truck. Okay, and actually it's blinking on air, so we are on air right now, but somebody in the station could simply extend the feed or taking the truck off air by moving that back into the future. So you see 1420, so that feed will come down from the satellite and come up again at 220. So see the color change, that's now in the hot phase, and once we are coming close to the actual time, I will force it now on air, and you will see that it will turn blue. Blue meaning it's communicating with the equipment. You see in the truck it's now configuring all the equipment.
Right.
And after it's setting up the encoder, the modulator, everything, it will take the truck on air, and you will see the feed here on your right monitor coming up in a few seconds.
So this is really a live program. If you're trying to transmit live
Yes.
on the news, this is basically what you need, the Skyray.
Taking the workload out of the people in the truck, you know, let the people in the studio deal with it, and everything the truck operator has to focus on is powering up the truck, pushing the button, and then rolling the cable, setting up the camera, and don't worry about the satellite feed.
So this basically eliminates about 3 or 4 people on the crew.
Well, I hate to say eliminate, because what our customers are doing, they are reusing their people, their high-valued people, and they are able now to put more trucks on the road with the same amount of people, and that is what the news directors like, because now they are getting so much more content into the station to deal with, which they can resell, which makes their programming more attractive to the consumer.
Are you guys affiliated with TMZ or any other news channels as far as, do they use your technology?
Well, we have NBC as a customer, ABC, the own station group, Univision is using the system. So these are the most high-profile broadcast stations and station groups who are using our system.
And if a consumer or anybody would like to get information about you guys, are you guys online? Do you have a website or anything?
Yeah, it's ndsatcom.com.
So you have an ND
Satcom, com.
That's the what it do. This is the Skyray technology. It is definitely incredible for all you guys out there trying to broadcast live and get the news to the world as it happens. Skyray is the program for you.